Comparing your Salesforce data. The CloudAlly Compare tool allows you to compare your data or metadata to other backups or to your production Salesforce environment. In the case of metadata, you can even compare your snapshot to other organizations. I'm going to show you how to compare your Salesforce data and metadata. From the home page, click your Salesforce task. Click Compare. The data comparison option is selected by default, or you could choose to compare metadata. Next, select which objects you want to compare. By default, all objects are compared during the operation. Or you can select a specific object from the drop-down menu. We are going to compare contacts and will include child objects. Next, you are prompted to select the date of the snapshots. Start with the backup snapshot for which you initiated the comparison. If more than one backup was performed on the selected date, you can see that by the two green dots. Choose the time of the backup. In the right panel, you can either select the backup snapshot that will be used for comparison or the Salesforce production environment. Once you have set the data sources, click Start Compare. Viewing the data comparison results. When the comparison is finished, click View Result. The results table displays the total number of records, the number of unique records in each of the data sources, and the number of changed records found in the two snapshots, or the snapshot and production environment. Below the table, you can find the summary of how many objects had no changes and how many objects that only exist in either of the data sources. To see details about the unique or changed elements, click the corresponding numbers in the table. They contain links to the comma-separated values CSV files containing detailed information about the unique or changed items. Let's take a look at an example of each. Here we see that the production environment has 3 records that are not found in the backup snapshot. And here are 5 contacts whose details changed in the production environment. Benefits. You can use CloudAlly's Salesforce Compare after performing a data migration to ensure that the data is migrated successfully and all rows match. If you are a developer, you can use CloudAlly's Salesforce Compare for pre- and post-deployment control, which allows you to understand what's wrong if the pipeline breaks. In this video, you'll learn that CloudAlly Salesforce Compare is a powerful tool you can use to quickly compare your data or metadata across backups or your production Salesforce environment. It allows you to easily identify unwanted changes and data corruption by highlighting changed and unchanged objects with an option to drill down to the record level. You can then use our Salesforce Recovery feature to restore the data to your chosen point in time. Click on the links after this video to learn about Salesforce Recovery. Thanks for watching.